This is how you do it on a Mac if you have Zoom installed. What you want to do is you want to go to the ribbon at the top. So you take your mouse and you go all the way to the top and you're going to click on zoom.us and you're going to click on preferences. You're going to go to the option that says background and effects. And then you're gonna see Mihai. You can do virtual backgrounds, you can do video filters, and you can do avatars. I've not used avatars before. I don't know what that looks like. Right now, I have a blur effect here, or a blurred background. This is what it looks like if I take it off. If I want to add that bridge in San Francisco, this is what I would press, or this grass. I don't like to do backgrounds because you see how funky that looks? I don't like how that looks. I normally just like to do the blur. I have a green screen select because I have a blue screen. If you don't have it and you want to blur, this is what it looks like if you select the grass, but I have a green screen, so I have it selected. You can also do video filters, which I don't do, but this is what it looks like. You can add this around. You can add glasses. You can also add studio effects. If you want to change your eyebrows, you can do that. You can change the color. You can change the opacity here. If you want to add a mustache or a beard, you can do that. Make it thicker. You can add a lip color as well. And I'm gonna put none. If you want this to be in all of your future meetings, you can select there. But I would be very careful because if you join a professional meeting and you have a cat filter like that lawyer did with the judge, then you're going to struggle trying to figure out how to do this at the last minute. So I wouldn't select that. Once you're ready with whatever background you want to use or whatever effect you have, you want to click on close. And then you just close it up here. Then that's it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. Thank you.